Hi, my name is Jared, and I'm with Sue the Collector. Have you been getting calls from collection agencies and other debt collectors that are trying to get their money from you? If you get a call from a debt collector, from now on I want you to actually answer the phone call, okay? Don't just hang up on the debt collector. I actually want you to talk to them, okay? And second of all, when you get them on the line, please find out what it's about. Simple as that. Find out how much the money is that they're trying to collect, what the debt is for, and so on. Thirdly, don't promise to pay anything. Don't say, well, I'll give you 20 bucks next week, or I'll give you $50 today. Don't promise to pay anything at all, because if you promise to pay, the creditor gets to re-age the debt, meaning they get to start the clock over and then collect the debt for even longer, which is not good for you. Fourth, tell the collector to stop calling you and tell them that you, quote, revoke consent. If you can remember those two very important words, I want you to tell the person on that telephone call that I revoke consent to any future calls. And tell that to the person on the recorded line. That's all you need to do, and then you can disconnect the call. If you do that, we would like you to reach out to us at Sue the Collector and give us some more information, because if you've done that and the collector continues to call your telephone number, calls your workplace, calls relatives, friends, threatens you with a lawsuit, calls you before 8 a.m., calls you after 9 p.m. at night, calls and threatens you with physical bodily harm, uses profanity or other unprofessional tactics to try and collect from you, or saying they're going to show up at your house, would you leave us your information? Because we can possibly sue the collector. We can actually, in most cases, get the debt completely canceled and get the collector to pay you an additional cash award on top. So instead of you paying them, they would pay you. Wouldn't that be nice for a change? So my name is Jared. Leave your information on the form and let us know what we can do for you, because at Sue the Collector, we work for you, and actually we work for free for you. There's no attorney costs whatsoever. We will bill the attorney fees to the collection agency, and they will be forced to pay our attorney's fees by federal law. Isn't that great? So you will owe nothing to the attorney for our services. So leave us information and we'll get started working for you right away. Thanks, and have a great day at SueTheCollector.com.